Guys, welcome back to my channel Slay with Alusha, and I'm so happy to be back. It's Sunday today and it's the 19th of August and it's like nearly it's nearly 12:30, and something really nice happened in the morning when I just woke up around 10:30, and I checked my phone and I saw a notification and I had a mail. The mail said that I've been rated number 57, one of the most influential Instagram accounts, from followers from 10,000 to 50,000, and guess what? I'm so glad. I woke up and I was like, oh my god, is this for real? Like, this is some dream come true. I was so happy. I'm happy now too. You guys supported me a lot. If you, my Instagrammers, are watching this video right now, thank you so much for supporting me, for following me, for showing all the love and everything. I couldn't ask for any better, so keep supporting me always. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share because yeah, you know you already love me, so yeah. So now I'm going on a trek and I think I need to go, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, okay? So let me go. So the trip has begun. Right now I'm walking to find a rickshaw right now and I cannot see anything. I need to go to the station and meet one of my friend, and he's also a vlogger, so yeah, I'm just searching for a rickshaw. Say hi to my vlogger friend. This guy is in my class. His name is Pritam and I'm going to link his channel below, so please do subscribe.
The channel is based on I create more travel vlogs in Hindi, so if you understand Hindi, subscribe to my channel.
Yes.
मैं प्रोडक्टिव चीज़ करता हूँ ना, जैसे स्क्रिप्ट लिखने का, तो मेरे को नींद नहीं आती.
इसको नींद नहीं आती है.
हाँ, नींद नहीं आती. We finally reached our destination and we're gonna climb some mountain right now. I hope it's worth climbing. He looks already tired because he had his leg day yesterday, so let's see what happens. This seems so risky. We have a long way to go and I'm panting already, like oh my god. So we did reach the waterfall and it's really amazing. We have many people over here and a dog too and some children. I'm so exhausted. Like, something really funny happened, but I don't want to tell y'all because it's really funny. And we have Pritam here. Pritam, how do you like the place? I think this place is amazing, but I think you should come here with all safety measures and stuff. And if you come in the rain, you should please take care of yourself. And yeah, that's all I want to say. Finally climbed down that mountain. Like, it was so difficult and it rained today, so you know everything gets slippery when it rains, but thank god we both are safe, and yeah, the trip was worth it. Hey, where's my partner gone? He's vlogging too. So our trip is like almost coming to an end and we're like super tired. As you can see, I'm exhausted and oh my god, we still have half a way to go. So as you can see, I'm home now and I'm like so tired because you know today's day was really tiring, but it was really worth going. We really enjoyed vlogging and having fun, and the weather was also really nice. I'm gonna close today's video right over here. I will be back with more videos very soon, hopefully. I know I always say this because I have a very tight schedule, and
yeah, when I get to work, I do work. So I just hope I'm back soon. I want to say, please do take care of yourself and be safe. So see me in the next vlog, and until then, take care.